Myself, CA Fenil Shah, Chairman Ahmedabad branch of WRC of ICI, welcome you all to this video message on working from home. When I address to members at large, comprising of male and female members, I always say that you all are working from home. But when I specifically address to women chartered accountants, I would like to say that you are not only working from home, but you are also working for home. And again stressing on the words working from home and working for home. And when these both elements are going on, it is very pertinent for you all lady chartered accountants to strike a balance between working for home and working from home. And I am confident that this video will show you various perspectives which will help you to strike a balance between the both. In my perspective, for any ecosystem to grow, there are three elements which are very important. In that relation, for an ecosystem of work from home, the first element which is very important, number one, is core competencies. That is the professional knowledge, the equipment we need to possess in our own professional field. The second, number two element is the boosters. Friends, boosters are those elements which always exist. If you focus on that, if you work on that, if you sharpen that, then you will be able to derive more benefits than what we expected from work from home. But on the other hand, on the contrary, if you don't focus on them, then you will not be able to derive those minimum benefits which you expected. And in my personal view, which are those boosters? A is the, you can say, dedicated space for work from home. B is dedicated time for work from home. And C is the work culture. And this video message will help you to decide the work culture which is needed for work from home. And the third important element for an ecosystem is the enabler. And which are the enablers for work from home? Then it is the IT system, it is the softwares, it is the technology and all the stuff which is needed. At this juncture, I would like to thank the Women Empowerment Committee of Ahmedabad branch of WRC of ICI and specifically CA Anjali Choksi to head this getting a wonderful video which you all lady members are going to see. And would also like to thank all other contributors who have contributed by video message to this particular video of work from home. I would like to appeal to all the women members that whichever kind of support you need, whichever kind of initiative you need, you always turn up and come up to me on Ahmedabad branch email ID. We will try to address all your needs as much as possible. So again, with folded hand, I request you to stay home, stay safe and take the benefit of this video message by getting the conclusions for working from home.
जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते. Namaste viewers. We are thankful to our branch chairman CA Fenil Shah for getting all of us unlocked during this lockdown. During this work from home, I realized that how difficult it is to balance between work from home and work for home. I also realized that how working woman is efficiently performing their duties post office hours. And I experienced that how my wife and my mother cares for me. I love and I respect. I congratulate Women Empower Committee and particularly CA Anjali Choksi for this initiative. Thank you friends. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello, dear all lady chartered accountants. I, Dr. CA Anjali Choksi, Managing Committee Member of Ahmedabad branch and Chairperson for the Women Members Empowerment Committee, welcomes you all to this video on work from home. Me and my committee members have prepared this video exclusively for the women chartered accountants sitting right there at home for the tips and techniques to work from home. Humanity is taking a common test in the entire country in a lockdown. COVID-19 is testing us as persons, personally and professionally. Are we looking out for strengthening our system once the normalcy returns? So my friends, there is an external as well as internal challenge. The world will never be the same once we emerge from the current crisis. We need to reset our priorities and lifestyles. With these thoughts, the Women Members Empowerment Committee of Ahmedabad branch has planned an array of activities for you all. First of all, we would be sending a feedback form to all the lady chartered accountants to give us suggestions and feedback of the past events held and also suggestions for the forthcoming events. Secondly, we are inviting all women chartered accountants to pen down their thoughts and transform this corona lockdown to creative ground by publishing an e-magazine which will comprise of all the contents, whether in form of shairis, poem, painting, article, whatever is contributed by publishing an e-magazine. Of course, the detailed instructions will come soon. Thirdly, we are planning activities like this video is one of the technique of having tips for work from home. Other things which we have planned is a PowerPoint presentation. We'll also have a write-up. And lastly, we would be organizing various webinars, motivational webinars, or technical sessions related webinars. So my request to all the women chartered accountants is to make the most of it. All the members of the Women Empowerment Committee is making lot of efforts to bring these resources to you. So I wish you good luck.
My name is C.A. Zalakpari.
I'm Gianna Tulsija.
I am C.A. Pranali Thakur.
This is Chicago.
I'm Nisha Patel.
Myself, C.A. Mauli Khandar.
I'm C.A. Jinal Shah.
My name is C.A. Charmi Doshi.
This is C.A. Hinal Shah.
Hello all, I am Meera Shah.
My name is C.A. Hetal Kotak.
I would say we as a female CA always face this gender inequality at our workplaces, at our client places. Also, we as a females always saying that our career should take a backseat for the sake of maintaining a work-life balance. I think we should take ourselves out of this field. No woman should be expected to be a superwoman.
We women are known to be multitaskers. We have always managed our home as well as our work. So if we could do it then, we can surely do it now.
So, instead of sacrificing our dreams, I request you girls just to prioritize your time. Make workspace work for you. Have set work hours and strictly stick to them. Play to your strength. Don't try and be all things to all people. Put some time for your personal life. With all these little efforts, you will definitely be able to balance your personal and professional life. Just keep going, don't stop.
I remember my passion to be a CA. 15 to 16 hours of study, became CA, worked hard for making my career, got success also. And then came a break of 3 years after my second daughter came. Well, I enjoyed that period too. But then I realized that I worked so hard to be a woman CA, which is hardly 0.005% of total population of India. I must work for my profession as it was my passion. I was updating myself regularly, and comeback was of course challenging but not difficult. Your profession is not only raising money for you, it is also raising confidence, self-respect and self-esteem. So never give up on your profession.
I have seen many ups and downs in my personal as well as professional life, taken 2 to 3 breaks also to serve my womanhood. But now I am very much satisfied with my life as I am able to manage 2 naughty kids, my home as well as office. I am serving as a traditional practitioner and providing one-stop financial solutions to my clients.
I feel that differential treatment with the male counterpart is one big challenge. Secondly, as a lady professional, I feel it is very difficult for us to keep ourselves abreast with the latest updates, news, developments, etc. on the relevant topics. Unlike the other male counterparts who do not have to balance the work and the professional life, it becomes even difficult for us to keep ourselves updated on the relevant topic or topic of our own interest or pertaining to the profession. this directly affects our growth as a professional or the growth of our career.
Young CA not easily getting work or client even after getting through with toughest exam of country and achievement of 2-letter prefix, that is CA. A young CA need to come into practice with some new area and specialized skill for the same. In nutshell, we need to keep updated ourselves for emerging practicing fields.
For me, a proprietor of CA firm itself a challenge, like how we get a new client, how we maintain the existing client base in this competitive market. Another challenge is how to do marketing of ourselves. To explore the new platforms and new areas in our field, we have to do marketing of ourselves, how we represent ourselves, how we stand in the market, how we are different from another, etc. So learn how to do marketing.
During this quarantine period, as we all are aware that recently Vivad Se Vishwas bill has been passed in Parliament on 13th March 2020. So this is a very good opportunity for all of us to take some time out and quantify the benefits or advantages our clients can get with the help of this scheme. Also, form filing of this Vivad Se Vishwas is very simple and all the process is online, no attachments are required, no digital signature is required, so we can very well do this work at home. Even the orders are available online on client login, so we can do this work during this quarantine period with ease at work from home.
From home, I have divided work from home into 3 different perspectives: you, your employees and your clients. As far as you are concerned, what you can do is, there have been a lot of changes in the past, be it GST, Companies Act, Vivad Se Vishwas, RERA and a lot more. We have been updated, but we are yet to read the balance. So we can do that. Then we can create our own SOPs. We have a lot of employees turnover ratio, so we always end up explaining them our procedures, which takes a lot of our time and energy. So we can create our own SOPs, which will save our time and energy in future. And we can update our clients with all the new notification and circulars being coming now and then. This can be done industry-wise. If it hits them directly, you can immediately draft a message, a mail or a PPT and just drop it to them personally, which has a long-lasting effect. The second is your employees. Employees can be given work like GST reconciliations, SOP creations and ledger scrutiny at this time, as March is already over. The third is your clients. You can actually collect your income tax data, which we normally do it in the month of May or June, but as they have time, they can easily give you their bank statements with their debits and credits sorted out. They can give you their share trading details, script wise, and their capital gain tax details if needed. The data can be collected soon, which will save our time and energy.
As all household chores we have to manage ourselves. Even then, I am able to manage my team to work from home for me. We are doing GST reconciliation and GST audit for FY 18-19, as all data are available with us. So stay home, stay safe and stay professional.
This lockdown, train your family to help you in household chores so you get time for yourself. Delete unnecessary files from your laptop. Delete unnecessary photographs and make a compact memory. Take memories of these days as our unique days and help needy people, as this is the need of an hour. Thank you.
You know, this quarantine period is actually a golden opportunity for all female CAs who are already into profession, and even for those females who are planning to come into profession in the near future. Working doesn't mean going to office every day and sitting on a chair and doing a office work. Our profession actually requires ourselves to be updated. You will all agree with me that every day we get lot many updates, notifications, circulars, either in income tax, GST, Companies Act, and we don't get time to read it just because we are overloaded with our work, we are having due dates or our commitments. So this is the best period where we can polish our knowledge and be ready to back with a bang when everything gets normal. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and just update your knowledge. Thank you.
The best way to work from home according to me would be not just doing the routine work which we can do on our laptops from home, but also to update ourselves with regards to the topics and areas which we don't deal with in regularly. Because for example, if I am dealing with GST, I am not so thorough with many sections or updates regarding Income Tax Act, because I have been busy dealing with those GST topics. So in these periods, I can utilize my time to update my knowledge and update myself regarding the latest amendments or notifications that have come regarding to such areas in which I don't deal with regularly.
During quarantine period, everyone is doing the same thing, that is work from home and having a to-do list. But I would like to suggest you that along with the work from home and to-do list, to invest some qualitative time for gaining the knowledge of other areas of our profession in which you are not actually involved and having not much knowledge. Like my practice is traditional practice, so I invest my time in project finance. So let us some invest time in other areas such as business processing, insolvency, valuation, etc. and other fields like Excel, PowerPoint, presentation, communication skill, etc. which is actually the requirement of our profession. And એમ પણ કહેવાય છે ને કે કામ તો રહ્યા જ કરવાનું છે. So do some creative and make new mission and vision and accept the challenges for the new areas which will give the fruitful results to our profession in future. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
In this quarantine period, if no work from home possibilities and getting bored or just worrying what to do, then you can definitely update yourself for emerging practicing areas. As otherwise, we always say that not getting time to learn new things in our routine life. A very good option on ICI Digital Learning Hub, we can learn cybersecurity, blockchain, information system audit, robotic process automation and many more without any fees.
I feel the quarantine period is the best time for the professional grooming. So I would suggest reading, interacting or attending the webinars on the topics of your own interest or relevant to the profession. Secondly, I would even suggest discussing or interacting openly with your mentor or your guiding counterpart so that you can positively bring a change in the approach of your professional life. Lastly, I would suggest you to complete the small tasks at home so that when the lockdown is lifted, you can cope up with the workload. Thank you.
The most important thing is to maintain communication. Number one, with our clients. We should call them, email them, update them with the latest developments and its impact on their businesses. We can also call for raw data, for ledger scrutiny, which is eventually going to save our time for audits. We can revive contacts with our clients. Number two, maintaining communication with our internal teams. We can ask for their ideas, get inputs from them for updating checklists or for creating process flows.
Number 1. Schedule your day. Number 2. Don't wear the pajamas as dress can influence your mood. Number 3. Do a little stretching if you are not keen to exercise. Number 4. Take a little rest between two activities. And number 5. Enjoy quality time with family.